Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, December 28th. Stocks on Wall Street are holding on to modest gains in early trading as investors react to data on consumer sentiment and home prices. The Case-Shiller index of prices in 20 U.S. cities fell 1.3% in October, a bigger drop than economists expected. The numbers show that the housing market is not yet enjoying the improvement seen in other parts of the economy. One of those improving segments is consumer spending, which is back in focus today following December sentiment data from the Conference Board and two reports on holiday shopping. According to MasterCard Advisor's Spending Pulse, retail sales jumped 5.5% in the 50 days leading up to Christmas this year, topping even the most optimistic forecasts. And a separate report showed a 4.8% gain in the chain store sales during the week before Christmas, the best weekly performance since April. The data indicate that shoppers are finally heading back to the malls, following 2 years of saving their money. Some of the top-selling retailers during the holiday season were luxury brands such as Tiffany and Saks. On the minus side, the huge winter storm in the Northeast that wiped out what's normally one of the busiest shopping days of the year yesterday, when consumers do returns and exchanges and redeem gift cards. But analysts say retailers won't lose that revenue. It will just get pushed back a bit to later this week or early January. Many people along the eastern seaboard are still trying to dig out from that weekend blizzard, and that's one factor contributing to what's likely to be another light trading day. The week between Christmas and New Year's is usually quiet anyway, as many investors have already set their portfolios for the end of the year. But the light trading volume may also cause volatility, as any news could exaggerate market moves in either direction. Two asset classes that are moving significantly are currencies and commodities. The dollar is falling to a 3-week low against the Japanese yen, as investors expect heavy demand for an auction of U.S. Treasuries this afternoon. That dollar weakness is pushing commodity prices higher. Gold is rising back around $1,400 an ounce, and copper continues to set new records. Meanwhile, crude oil is well above $91 a barrel, closing in on a 2-year high. Investors are betting that the harsh winter weather in the U.S. and Europe will boost demand for the commodity. In Asia, stocks finished broadly lower as a surprise interest rate hike by China over the weekend continues to weigh on sentiment. But the major markets across Europe are holding on to small gains. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.